I'm Gillian Kent, and I am a repeat client of AWS Clinic, and I'm here for a Halo treatment.
Skin resurfacing has been around for a long time. I think, in the old days, chemicals and mechanical abrasion, which was devices that sort of sanded down the skin, were used, and I think they're very good. But the more modern take on that is really resurfacing the skin with lasers, and in particular, fractionated lasers. What that means is the laser is applied in such a way that there are portions of skin in between ablated skin that have not been treated. Those areas then migrate over the ablated areas that have been lasered, and the healing process is much, much faster that way.
Honestly, it's for everybody. As we do age, especially in the later 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, you can change the settings to actually really suit your client. So you can help with pore size, fine lines, moderate lines. You can help with texture, brightness. Everyone wants a glow.
I have some sun damage. Actually, according to the cool light test that we did, I have quite a bit of sun damage. And then I also have redness and pores, and I'm 55, and we could use a little touching up so everything looks a little better.
So it's two lasers. One is an erbium laser and the second is a diode laser with very different properties. They're applied simultaneously. The treatment takes about 30 minutes.
We do a topical numbing cream, which makes the treatment a lot more comfortable for the client. They're gonna definitely feel a bit of heat afterwards, depending on the depth that we go to with the settings. You might get a bit of swelling, you might not. So we do, it's each to their own. As I said, it is designed to have less downtime. So myself included, I was back to work the next day. You're gonna be dry and flaky for a few days. It's not great, but after that, it's fine. It is important for clients to pre-treat their skin, because I always put it this way, it's like a runner who's never ran in their life going for a marathon. Like, you will absolutely, your skin won't know what's happened to it. You want to do some pre-treatments. Now, I'm not saying you have to come into the clinic, but a solid home care system with your active ingredients. Absolutely. You will really thank yourself if you do that. And absolutely, you can come in and see us for a few peels, hydrofacials, your more superficial treatments to prep your skin. So you're not coming into a Halo treatment without ever having done anything. Your recovery time will more likely be longer because your skin will not be prepared.
I chose AWS Clinic for this because my previous experience with them was so incredibly positive, and then even the prep that I've had from the contact from the staff before coming in today has been fantastic, and you feel so cared for, and you feel like there's a great deal of concern that your experience is going to be enormously positive. And based on the last one, it was when I had upper blepharoplasty, and so I'm back again because I just don't see any reason to go anywhere else when you found a really good place. So
it almost feels like electrical impulses running over your face. So at the start you don't feel too much, and then you do feel a build-up of heat. So we kind of work from area to area. We do compress and cool as we go along. So the client's comfort is always the top priority, so we always check in. But it's quite good. We have the cooling system on the client as well. It's more so afterwards, you feel a wave of heat here and there for a couple of hours, but that does subside.
I would like to achieve a reduction in the redness and potential a better tone and texture, maybe a little more smoothness, and reduction in the sun damage. And one of the reasons that we're doing this filming is so that it's an opportunity to put out some good, positive information for people to make informed decisions, and to dispel any nasty myths about the Halo treatment that are out there that are preventing people from doing something that they may want to do.
By no means go to a clinic and just jump onto this laser bandwagon. You do want to go to your laser clinics that have the certificates, have the training, they have the doctor in the clinic. These are not fluffy treatments. These are getting into the skin. We're vaporizing the surface of the skin. We're doing deep treatments. So most of the laser technicians here have quite a few years of experience, up to 10 years and more.
Easa is amazing. She lets you know what's happening every step of the way, and is constantly concerned that you are comfortable with what's happening and the procedure. I wasn't sure what to expect, honestly. I mean, she said it would feel like electricity running over my skin, and it certainly did. It also felt like being sort of smacked by little tiny elastic bands over and over and over again. So looking forward to seeing some improvements in the color and the tone and the texture and the clearness in the color of my skin.